Hi everyone, so welcome to Pivot Physics. So today's lesson is on kinematics, where motion becomes a breeze. So the concept for today will be changes in velocity, and that formula is given as follows. So change in velocity is final minus initial, which can be written as final plus minus initial. And for such questions, we always use the head to tail method. Right? So let me demonstrate using a simple example. Initially, the car was traveling 25 meters per second east, after which it travels at 15 meters per second north. You want to find the change in velocity. So always make a simple sketch. We have naughty elephant spray water, north, east, south, west. So initially, I was traveling at 25 meters per second east, and final, that will be traveling at 15 meters per second north. So if I want to find the change in velocity, we take final minus initial, that is given as final plus minus initial. So what do I mean by use the head to tail method? We follow the order. The first vector will be your final, so I'm going to draw that out first. So that is your V final, given as 15 meters per second, plus minus initial. Now initial is to the right, so minus initial must be to the left. So that is given as minus initial. So what we do is, we join the head of the first vector, which is V final, to the tail of the second vector, which is minus V initial. So that means your vector diagram will be looking as follows, right? So final plus minus initial. So that is given as your 25 meters per second. If you want, you can put a minus sign, right? So head to tail. We started off from here. We ended right there. So the change will be given as from start all the way to end. That is given as your change in velocity, which is the resultant. So by Pythagoras theorem, you will get 29.2 meters per second. You know that velocity is a vector. Once you calculate that angle by trigo, you will get 59.0 degrees. Hope this helps. I'll see you again in the next lesson.